answers on EA ads. When will the paid ad program actually start, where members begin to receive maybe a few ads on a daily basis? The number of advertisers and ads are growing, and so are also the number of viewers. The advertising are selecting the target audience, and EA cannot guarantee that all viewers will be matched with their target audience. However, the amount of ads is growing every day, so the chances of getting ads increase all the time. Question number 2. Will EA provide 60 ads to watch every day to its members as projected? When can we expect this to happen? At least starting with less than 60 ads on a regular basis will give a very positive feedback for the community, as members are not receiving even a single paid ads as of now. If you refer the answer in question number 1, EA has never promised 60 ads a day for all members, but up to 60 ads a day, which is not exactly the same thing. Will EA modify viewers dashboard to keep viewers engaged to the advertiser? This is highly encouraged to be done to attract more advertisers and to prove the platform convincing. We are working on improvement of this viewers experience of EA every day and will launch new version regularly. Last week we deployed the next button. We will very soon deploy our next invention. Fourth, when can we sell all the advertising sponsorship added to viewers dashboard and begin earning accordingly from the sponsorships? The tech team is working on it, and as soon as we are out of the test phase, the members should be correct, but rest assured the data and earnings are not lost even though it is not displayed. We will store all the data. 5. Is EA still in the test period? Because it shows on the top of the screen that EA is in test period and giving offers of free referrals for coming in now. Yes, we will get out of the test period as soon as all the minimum technical demands are in the place for viewers, advertisers and other stakeholders. We are getting closer every day. Can we see the list of advertising listed in the website as client list? No, that will never be possible at EA. We cannot display or give you out information about the companies that register with us without a special agreement. Project plan and roadmaps is highly required in the current situation to hold a crowd. This should be clearly stated in EA newsletter bulletin. Question 7. Weekly newsletters will tell you about the progress. Our roadmap is confidential. We are increasing the numbers of employees and expect to release more and more functions faster and faster. 8. When will the technical issue on EA accounts can be resolved by technical team? EA, as it has been too long, members are facing technical issues on platform and haven't been updated from the company side. The following few are mentioned below. JAR €10 verified members asked to pay €10 for PV on EA. As advised from support, members skipped the PV on EA and opted free members as temporary solution, but they see the package option on their menu dashboard where they still have to pay for PV. Generally, if a technical error occurs, please advise the members to contact EA support at the mail support@ea.com. They will advise and confirm with the technical team if needed. Total registered users not synchronized as what as shown on the JAR sponsorship. In activation menu on JAR style website. If there is something not working on JAR lifestyle website, you need to contact JAR lifestyle support. Inappropriate commission 0.1 given to the verified members per paid ad view, which should be 0.4 per ad. This is the issue highlighted in the first period regarding verified JAR lifestyles taken in a free members on here. Some members are not eligible for full income before 6 months have passed. Those people, the ones who registered on here without doing verification first and later on they did the verification. There was a campaign between 017-721 to 3921 and the waiting period does not count for those who did it in the campaign period, of course. For the ones that had an issue in regard to verification, we are currently working our way to a list of people that have sent our support request to fix the issue as soon as possible. Will here create and enhance the website where we see a whole new look on website with many improvements? If so, when can we expect? We agree and are currently working on new version of the website. When will paid ads from global advertising to the company be given out? So far only paid ads on ER seen as from the community. Everyone is expecting thousands of advertisers from the company to start showing. Our distribution network grows faster, meaning the number of advertising and ads are growing, but so are also number of viewers. The advertisers are selecting the target audience and ER cannot guarantee that all viewers will be matched with their target audience. 11. When the referral and sponsor commission system be live, we are launching the referral earning page as we go out for test mode. ER does not have sponsorships. When will extra commission incentives of euro 1,500, euro 2,000, euro 2,500 per annum be implemented for members who have met the requirement for purchasing the 300 euro advertising and combo packages? Our algorithm will source more ads to this group of people for them to reach above mentioned amounts. Means they will try to give more ads to such people who had taken such packages. 13. Does ER plan to develop an e-commerce platform where viewers can buy products directly from advertisers through their ads commission earned? We are looking for lots of ways to enhance the service of ER. Issues on new number registration ER side. What does unexpected error occur means? When can this be resolved? We do not know about this problem. You should describe it and send it to support. Question number 15. Login issue. We have received multiple login options which has created more confusion. JAR Lifestyle members are not able to log in with JAR username and password, but can log in via Gmail and Facebook. How and why is it? If there are problems logging in, generally you need to contact support. However, this may help as well. JAR and ER are two different companies. If there are trouble, JAR members may have not done their first registration with ER. We added Google and Facebook to make it easier to log in. Since we are not the same company as JAR, changing a password with them doesn't mean that your password will change with us. To change your password, go to er.com and login page and click forget password. We include the option to log in with Facebook and Google because ER is all for people, not only JAL members. Thank you.